guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I am going to be trying and reviewing some products that I've actually been wanting to try for a while now, and I'm just now getting around to it. The products I'm talking about are from the Dove Amplified Textures line. So I got the leave-in conditioner, the shaping buttercream, and their finishing gel. I actually wanted to try their shampoo and conditioner and deep conditioner, but for some reason I couldn't find them at the store, and so I just settled on the styling products, which is fine, but I was kind of hoping that I could test out the whole line, but whatever, it's fine. I'm really excited to try these because they're supposed to be super moisturizing, and I've heard a lot of great things about these products, and I love that Dove, going along with their whole inclusivity message, that they have made products for girls with textured hair and natural hair and curly hair. So I think that's really cool, and I hope they work. So I'm just gonna jump right in, and of course I'm gonna start out with the leave-in conditioner. I mean, let's be real, I'm gonna use a lot. It smells pretty good. It smells kind of floral. All right, so going into the texture, it's very slippery, and oop, I just dropped some. It's very slippery and creamy, feels nice, is what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna jump right in. It feels pretty nice going into my hair. It's not as slippery as I would have thought it would be, feeling the texture of the product, but it does feel nice. So here's like the comparison. You can see, looks pretty good so far. I mean, it's a leave-in, so I don't expect to get a lot of definition, but side to side comparison, leave-in, no leave-in. It's looking good so far, but we'll see. All right, so now that the leave-in is thoroughly distributed throughout my hair, let's go ahead and move on to the buttercream here. It smells a little bit different than the leave-in. Okay, this is gonna be a weird way to describe a scent, but it almost smells like Aquanet hairspray. I don't know, it's weird. And for a buttercream, it's very liquidy. Like, I don't know if you can see that. All right, so wow, it almost seems thinner than the leave-in conditioner. So that's interesting for a cream, a buttercream. Oh my gosh, can you be quiet? So even though it's super watery, I don't know if it's the mix of the leave-in and the buttercream, but it's actually, it's doing something. I feel like it's clumping my curls a lot more. So that's interesting. It's like provides more slip. All right, so far, I like how it feels in my hair. It's weighing down my hair, which I do like initially. And I do feel like there's definitely definition versus just like the leave-in. There's definition, but it's not as apparent as this side. All right, and finally, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the finishing gel to my hair. It smells the same as the Buttercream, kind of like a hairspray vibe. And I don't know if you can see that texture. It's like kind of slimy, very slippery. Yeah, very slippery. It almost reminds me of flaxseed gel. That's like the sliminess of it feels that way. So I'm really just gonna focus this on the ends first and then kind of rake it in. It is super slippery going throughout my hair, which I love. All right, so I have the products thoroughly distributed throughout all of my hair, and I have high hopes for this. It's looking really good right now, and I feel like it's gonna be a really good wash and go. So let's hope I'm not wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry, and I will be back to show you the results. Guys, I'm back. And I am so impressed. Like, I was expecting it to turn out really good, but it exceeded my expectations a little bit. I love how my curls turned out. Like, super defined and super soft. Like, it looks so good. And of course, the frizz to curl definition ratio is perfect. I love this first day hair volume. It's just everything I ever dreamed of. No, but really, I am so impressed with how it came out. I don't even know, like, if you can see how soft it is. It feels so good and so hydrated. I would definitely recommend you give them a try. I believe they're only $7 a pop, so that's a pretty decent price range, especially for the amount you get. It's a good size amount of stuff and totally worth it, in my opinion. I will be using these products again for sure. So I think it's pretty clear, it's pretty obvious. I give the Dove Amplified Styling products thumbs up. I love them, totally recommend. I mean, the hair speaks for itself, right? If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.